What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, I know say it's been a while since I don't cover a story over in a Belize, people. Because you don't know the attacking boss got to work. I always cover a story from different parts. You understand, different regions in the Caribbean, my people. And Belize is a place where I always touch some story, my people. No joke about it. See? But you know, say a very sad story, my people. And come my way, my people. And it's about a female, you understand, who was 33 years old, who sadly lost her life over in Belize, my people. You know what I mean? And she's a really beautiful female. No joke about it, my people. But the whole story that leads up to her death, my people, it's a sad and tragic situation. No joke about it. So I just want to say big up to all my fans over there in Belize. You understand, the viewers, the subscribers, you know what I mean, the new watchers, them, and everybody. And you don't know, keep it going, keep it attacking. So I just going to read this little article here now, my people, you know what I mean, explaining about this incident, and then I can give my take towards this story. But it's a really sad one, man, and my condolences to the family of Nicole Polonio, you understand, who sadly lost her life over there in Belize, people. So let me do some reading now. Woman dies after being tied up during violent episode. The police are currently investigating a death in San Pedro, where a woman's body was found wrapped in a sheet and tied with chains. The family of 33-year-old Nicole Polonio told police that she was mentally ill and had been having a particular violent episode on January 22nd. She reportedly began banging her head on the walls, breaking items in the house, and running onto the street naked. Her sisters and her daughter then restrained her by tying both of her hands and feet together with a galvanized chain. She remained in the chains locked up inside her room for 5 days until January 27th. They then removed the chains but kept her wrapped up in a sheet tied by her daughter in a way to mimic a straight jacket. Around 6 the next morning, Polonia's family checked on her and saw that she was alive, biting on the sheet to try to untie it. Then about midday, when her sister checked on her, she found Polonia dead. So, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level. Zine, basically, them say she passed away due to where she had tried to restrain herself, my people, and tie herself, and one heap of something, and that are the reason why she not make it to drop out, my people. And as I can see, people, you saw the picture of her. She's a very beautiful female, my people, but that don't stop her beauty. Don't stop her from a mental problem, people. But I'm saying, over there in Belize, they don't have no mental facility, my people. I know they have hospital and thing, but I'm wondering, they don't have no mental facility. Because if you tie up someone in a room with chain or whatever, them use jacket, whatever, for 5 days, my people, I think that more than enough where they could have seek medical attention, because number one, them tie her up, my people. And if she have mental problem, how that go help you know say tie her up like a cow, like a goat? That can't help her or fix her brain if a mental problem she have. Because when a mental, she mad. Zin? So only thing could help her, my people. I think the time where them tie her up, the first minute, the hours them tie her up, run go to the hospital. You understand, and go seek medical help, my people. Try to get somebody who could have, you know what I mean? Because they must have some injection where them could have gear and calm her down, the people. Zin? But sadly, them have her there for 5 days. She had tried to untie herself. She had tried to restrain herself, my people. And, yo, she passed away, my people. You understand? At the age of 33 years old. Such a shame and such a sad situation. And just to imagine her daughter, how her daughter feeling herself now to know. So look at the man. I was trying to help mommy. You understand? Try to help tie her up and things just to calm mommy down. Because no one would have liked to see them family. You understand? Especially like she, my people, walking up on the street, banging her head in the wall and all of these things, my people. And I'm saying, you know, because people, mental illness is a serious thing, you know. And mental illness is not scared of nobody. It can affect anybody at any time. And there's a lot of things that can bring mental illness to people. See? But I'm saying, my people, and for my thinking, what could have happened or could have got in this situation is for them to just seek some medical help. Me understand them a try to tire up, to calm her down, fishing or going out straight, fishing or walk naked and people look on her, fishing or bang her head in the wall. But think about the another situation. She try to set herself free. She try to pull herself. See? And Belize, the country over there, and I want to say this, if they don't have no mental facility over there, this should be a heads up for them or a lesson, because see that somebody lost their life. So I'm not saying they don't have, but for my attention and based on comments that I saw on this post of people, a lot of people have said they don't have none. See? So now is the time for the government to build and set up one for them people. See? Because see them, she lost her life, my people. For the hospital, you know what I mean, they must have some injection where them should have, you know what I mean, where she could have get my people, or could have calm her down. So that's what I'm saying to the family members who tire up and think. They should have come boom and try to seek medical help. You understand? To get her to the hospital, but to have her in there for 5 days tie up in a chain, Jaja sees Jaja. That's like a prison, like an animal. You know what I mean? So at the moment, at the time, and based on the information I get, the police are saying they are doing their investigation into it, my people, to see if charges should be laid against any one of people. But all I can say, I understand certain part of this story, my people, of this situation, where I'm saying, you understand, basically they were trying to help her from putting herself out there in the street, walking naked and thing, my people, but suffering her. You know what I mean, with tying her up with chain and this, there should be another way of getting out of this, people. And the other way was to seek medical help. You know what I mean? It's a sad situation, man. When I saw the picture and I look at her and I say, look at the nice female, man, just lost her life them way, you understand? And I've seen where a lot of people say, yo, them cannot believe she gone. You know what I mean? She was a nice girl. People who know her personally, and I say, yo, look on Nicole. We used to know Nicole when she was good, when she was great. But in this world that we are living, my people, we can't trust nobody, you know. You understand? Because if people can't say, look at the man, Nicole was good. She never born like this. You understand? She was good until certain things do go a certain way. People out there, people wicked out there for real, you know. And nobody don't believe so evil don't exist out there. Evil do exist for people. You understand? People are envy people for job promotion. People are envy people for the way how you live. People are envy people because them see how you live. You have your nice man how you live good. People jealous of them things, them people. And you know, say, not everybody's spirit strong enough. See, that's why I tell people, not everybody's spirit strong enough, because a lot of people, them not believe in the Almighty, them not faith, they not trust the people. And when they be like that, you are weak. And that's how the devil is if you take control of you, my people, because your powers are weak towards the Almighty. You understand? So, for a lot of people, that's why you find certain things do reach them. And for a lot of people, people will try to put things towards them, people, evilous things, and they can't touch them. You know why? Because they're anointed, they are protected by Jairus, because they are fulfilled. And them fully believe and trust in the Almighty with all them faith, my people. So, in this world, my people, and as I'm saying, you cannot trust nobody. You can't trust friends. I tell you all the while, you can't trust family, my people. You can't trust no one, because people mindset out of them evil and them wicked. See, look on the female. She was good before. You understand? She was living the life before, my people. But 2 toes down the line, it is somebody different, you see. Walking on the street naked, banging her head in a wall, lick up her head, look all of this, some people. And sadly, she gone. Such a young age, 33 years old. You know how much life was there for her to live? To see her daughter and everybody, all her family and things with people. You know how much life was there? But evil, wickedness, you understand, it out there, my people. And that's why I would say, you understand, mental illness can be naturally happen to you, my people. But for a lot of people out there, see them a walk and a kick stone and I do this and I do that. Nobody believes you nothing naturally come upon them. It's by the hands of wicked and evilous and scrupulous and wicked and jealous people. No joke about it. But my people, big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss is here. And I more love my people, more blessings and more respect. And thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comment to people. And remember, one team, you know, one dream, one scheme, and one attacking boss of people. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Big up on yourself, stay safe out there, and just do the right thing, people. Don't trust no one. Remember the attacking boss like that. Don't trust nothing. Peace out. Blessings.